Rice water is the starchy water left over after rice is cooked or left to soak. It is thought to make the hair smooth, shiny and fuller. Using rice water to strengthen and beautify hair isn't new. It dates back to the ancient Heian period in Japan, when court ladies were known to have beautiful, long hair that draped to the floor. Their secret was rice water. Rice water is thought to contain many of the vitamins and minerals contained in rice. These include B vitamins, vitamin E, antioxidants, amino acids and minerals. Studies have found that inositol, an ingredient found in rice water, is able to penetrate damaged hair and repair it from the inside out. It even protects hair from future damage. Now let's look at the preparation process. 1. Get a 1/2 cup of uncooked rice, any rice which you prefer. It can be white, brown, jasmine, long grain or short grain. 2. Rinse thoroughly to remove any dirt and debris from the rice. 3. Fill a pot with 2 to 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. 4. Once the water has reached a boil, turn off the stove and strain the water into your spray bottle. 5. Let the water cool down before applying. If you choose not to boil the rice, then another method is to let the rice water sit overnight. For this, repeat the first step and then put the rice water in a plastic container and cover it. Let the rice water sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. This allows it to ferment and all of the yummy vitamins and minerals to come out. Tip: don't let it sit for over 24 hours. Due to the fermentation process, fermented rice water has a pungent smell. Try adding your favorite essential oils like lavender, tea tree, peppermint to help counter the smell and get the added hair benefits. When applying the rice water, try to really focus in on your scalp and work your way out. Let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, and then rinse. Do this at least once a week for maximum benefits. Have you tried this method before? Please let us know in the comments below what your experience was like.